Are you using OpenAI's Agent SDK and worried about users sending unsafe or unwanted prompts? Meet Guardrails, your agent's first line of defense. Imagine someone sends a prompt like, "Solve my math homework" to your expensive GPT-4 agent. That's slow, costly, and exactly what you don't want. This is where Guardrails come in. Smart filters that catch bad input or output before it wastes resources. There are two types of guardrails. Input guardrails. They validate the user input before it reaches your agent. Output guardrails. They validate the agent's response before it's sent back to the user. They act like bodyguards, checking both what comes in and what goes out. Here's how an input guardrail works in 3 steps. It receives the same input that your agent gets. It runs a guardrail function, which returns a result. If .tripwire_triggered is true, an exception is raised, and the agent execution is halted immediately. Example: you can use a fast, cheap model just to screen for harmful or irrelevant queries before letting the expensive model run. A tripwire is like a red flag. If the input or output crosses the line, the tripwire is triggered and the agent stops cold, saving you time, money, and risk. For example, this is our input guardrail. And this will handle input related to math homework. And it will be passed to Math Assistant. It is a basic example of setting up an input guardrail that blocks inappropriate language or off-topic queries. You attach guardrails directly to agents, not the runner, because different agents might need different types of protection. Keeping the code together improves clarity and debugging. Here, Math Homework Assistant have input guardrail, which is a math guardrail. Guardrails are especially useful for customer service agents, AI teaching assistants, financial advisors. Anytime you need control and safety, guardrails have your back. Guardrails make your agents safer. Input plus output validation. Tripwires stop bad queries, save time, cost, and risk. Comment below. What kind of guardrails would you add to your AI agents? Like, subscribe, and don't forget to check the link in the description for more OpenAI Agent SDK tutorials.